Okay, so Beckett just had the nastiest diaper. Like I was sitting there, I was working on uploading the vlog for today, and he was just sitting in my lap and he was chilling, and then there was this big rumble and this explosion. Oh my goodness. And anyway, he filled the diaper, like wall to wall, completely front to back, side to side. There was so much poop. And of course, as soon as I open it, he sticks his foot in there, because it slipped out of my hand. His foot gets in there and he flings poop everywhere. And so the outfit he was wearing got poop on it. So now he gets a second outfit today. He gets a second outfit. Yeah, you get another outfit, bud. Ugh. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Yeah. You just took a big nasty poop. And you got it. Probably can't see it very well, but he got it like all up the inside. Yeah, you did. You did a good job getting that poop everywhere. Yeah. You did a good job getting that poop everywhere. So now you're gonna wear a shirt that says, "Mommy loves me." I do love you. I do love you. Let's get you dressed. Nom nom penguin. Nom nom penguin. Yeah. You love that penguin, don't you? You love that penguin, don't you? You got the new outfit on. New outfit. Says, "Mommy loves me." Yes, she does. Here, you can have your penguin back. You can have your penguin back. You wanna grab it? You wanna grab it? You wanna try? You wanna try and grab it? Hey, big guy. Nom ribbon. Nom nom penguin. Nom nom penguin. You smiling for me? You smiling for me? Yeah. I kiss your face. I kiss your face. You calm.
Belly's hanging out.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, pretty man.
Say hi, Beckett.
Hi, buddy boy. I love you. Huh. Who's that? Who's that kissing you?
Aren't daddies awesome?
Oh, I never had one.
Well, Beckett's got a pretty awesome daddy.
You think so?
So Kenneth is on baby duty. He's changing a diaper right now. And I made dinner. I put dinner in the oven. And I'm prepping diapers. Because my mom, Beckett's grandma, gave us some more pre-folds. And so I'm getting them all ready for him to wear by boiling them. So I don't have to wash them like 12 times. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I won't vlog you, you're okay. Kenneth's not decent yet.
I'm never decent. Had to freak out? Is that why we freaked out earlier? If that's the case, that's fine. I actually want you to be upset when your pants are wet. I do. You don't want to like that. That's bad news. If you like that, that's really kind of weird. Yeah.
Oh, he's hungry.
Yeah, he was giving those cues earlier, too. He wants the booby juice.
You want the booby juice? Okay. I'm gonna stir pre-folds, and then I guess I'll feed my child. So we recently got new neighbors, and I think they have cats, because I've been seeing cats walking through the window lately. And Sam just met one of them. And she's none too happy. I hope this doesn't go on for too much longer, because they are seriously yowling at each other through the window. Good thing she's an indoor-only cat. Huh, Beckett? Huh, Beckett? Yeah.
Why don't you get rid of
Off the cat.
twice?
Chased the cat off twice. I thought it was 3 times.
Just 3, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, Kenneth just went out there to chase the cat off. And then the cat came back. And then he chased it off again. And then within like 2 minutes it was back again. So. And Sam still seems to be a little distressed.
Well.
Do not like the other kitty. Do not like the other kitty. Yeah. Is this your house? Does that kitty need to go away? Totally playing with the penguin all by himself, quite happily. It's awesome.